Wireless CarPlay adapters eliminate cables, enabling instant, safer, and more convenient hands-free iPhone connectivity while driving. Today's video is about top 5 best wireless CarPlay adapters for iPhone that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vnilrgle Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter is a convenient upgrade for iPhone users running iOS 10 and above, offering a truly seamless in-car experience. It eliminates the hassle of traditional cables, allowing quick and effortless wireless connection between your phone and your car's infotainment system. Setup is simple, making it easy for users to switch to a cleaner and more modern driving setup. With compatibility across more than 800 CarPlay-enabled vehicle models, this adapter is highly versatile. The included USB-A to USB-C adapter further expands its usability, ensuring support for both newer and older car ports. This makes it an excellent solution for upgrading older vehicles to a wireless CarPlay experience. Built with premium materials, the device is designed for durability and long-term use. Powered by an advanced A7S chip, it ensures fast, stable, and secure wireless transmission with multiple safety protections. Its compact and portable design adds extra convenience, making it easy to carry and store while ensuring reliable performance on the go. Now our second product is Visoud Ultra Mini CarPlay Wireless Adapter. This Ultra Mini Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a powerful next-generation upgrade designed for both CarPlay and Android Auto users. Featuring an ultra-compact 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 inch thumb-sized design, it is over 60 smaller than most competitors, making it extremely portable and discreet inside your car. Powered by the advanced A9 chip, it delivers superior performance with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and lightning-fast 3 to 5 second auto connection, ensuring smooth and instant in-car connectivity. The upgraded 5.8 GHz wireless system provides lower latency, faster response, reduced packet loss, and clearer performance for a more stable driving experience. Whether navigating or streaming audio, the connection remains consistent and responsive. With automatic pairing, the adapter connects as soon as you enter the car, eliminating repeated manual setup and saving valuable time. Built with durable ABS plus PC materials, it offers excellent heat resistance and long-lasting reliability. Supporting USB-C, USB-A, and extension cable connections, it ensures wide compatibility with over 1,000 vehicle models and 99 of CarPlay-enabled cars. Certified by major safety standards, this adapter guarantees both performance and security for everyday use. Our third product is Terunsoui Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter offers a smooth and effortless way to upgrade your driving experience by eliminating the need for cables. With true plug-and-play functionality, you simply connect it to your car's USB port, and it automatically pairs with iPhone 10 and later devices within seconds. No complicated setup is required, making it extremely user-friendly and convenient for daily use. It supports a wide range of iPhone models and is compatible with over 800 CarPlay-enabled vehicles, ensuring excellent flexibility across different car brands. This broad compatibility removes common connection concerns and allows more drivers to enjoy a fully wireless experience without limitations. The adapter maintains your car's original audio quality while enabling full CarPlay features such as navigation, music, calls, and voice assistant control. Its compact and sleek aluminum design fits neatly into the car interior without clutter, and the included USB to USB-C adapter improves versatility. Powered by a high-quality A7S chip, it delivers stable performance and reliable wireless connectivity. With a 365-day warranty and lifetime technical support, it ensures long-term peace of mind and dependable usage. Now number 4, Carlinkit Wireless CarPlay Auto Adapter. The Carlinkit 5.0 wireless adapter is a practical upgrade solution for vehicles that already support factory-installed wired Apple CarPlay or wired Android Auto. It is important to note that this device does not add CarPlay or Android Auto to unsupported cars. Instead, it converts an existing wired system into a convenient wireless experience. It also does not support video streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Disney+, keeping its focus strictly on in-car connectivity. This adapter offers broad compatibility, working with iPhone 6 and later devices running iOS 10 Plus, as well as Android smartphones running Android 11 and above. This ensures most users can enjoy seamless wireless integration across different platforms. Installation is simple and hassle-free thanks to its compact plug-and-play design, requiring no extra software or complex setup. Once connected, it delivers stable performance with low latency through advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, ensuring smooth navigation and audio playback even during long drives. With OTA update support, the Carlinkit 5.0 is also future-ready, maintaining compatibility with evolving systems. Overall, it provides a reliable and efficient way to modernize your driving experience with wireless convenience. And our last choice is iMun Wireless CarPlay Adapter for iPhone. The iMun Mini CarPlay Adapter is a simple and effective way to upgrade wired CarPlay or Android Auto systems into a fully wireless experience. It removes the hassle of tangled cables and allows instant access to essential features like maps, calls, music, and messages, making everyday driving more convenient and enjoyable. Designed for vehicles with factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto, it supports around 98 of compatible cars, excluding BMW and Tesla. Setup is extremely easy, just plug it into the USB data port, pair once via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it automatically reconnects every time you start the car, offering true plug-and-forget functionality. Its ultra-mini design keeps the car interior clean and clutter-free while ensuring stable performance. Built with a next-generation chipset, it delivers fast response and reliable connectivity, tested for long-term durability with over 50,000 plug cycles. The adapter supports iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus devices and maintains full use of original car controls, including steering wheel and touchscreen functions. With broad compatibility and a 2-year warranty, it provides a dependable and modern wireless upgrade for daily driving convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.